how to log out of all devices on Spotify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of all the devices other than the one you're currently on your Spotify account. So if you think someone has access to your account, or maybe you signed in on another device and you no longer want that signed in this video will show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And while I'll be showing you how to do this on an iPhone or Android phone, the steps will be very similar on a computer or other device because you can't do it within the app on an iPhone or Android phone. We have to open up the browser. So to get started, simply open up a browser, navigate to spotify.com and sign into your account. Once you get signed in, select the gear in the top right to open the settings and then select View Account. From there, we just need to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom, you'll see Sign Out Everywhere. Select that. And then as you can see, all we need to do is select Sign Out Everywhere, but this does not include partner devices such as speakers, gaming consoles, or TVs. So if you want to do that, select Go to your apps page, and then you'll be able to sign out of those devices. These will only be devices where you can actually play Spotify music, such as a phone, computer, tablet, something like that. So go ahead and select Sign Out of Everywhere, and then your Spotify account will be logged out of all devices. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.